Hello, friend. Today I am going to talk about hydrocarbons. You know, the alkane, alkene, and alkyne belong to hydrocarbons. So, types of carbon carbon bonds present, they can be classified into three main categories: saturated, unsaturated, or aromatic. So, alkane, my friend, alkanes are inert under normal condition as they do not react with acids, bases, and other reagents. The general formula for alkane homologous series is CnH2n plus 2. Saturated open chain hydrocarbons containing carbon carbon single bonds. Methane has a tetrahedral structure in which all HCH bonds angles are of 109.5 degree. You can see this is the tetrahedral structure. Now nomenclature and isomerism. You can see the 4C4H10. We have here two arrangement. Butane, that is normal butane. The boiling point 273 Kelvin, and 2-methyl propane, that is isobutane. And for butane C5H12, we have the pentane, normal pentane. You can see the 2-methyl butane, isopentane, and 2,2-dimethyl propane, that is neopentane. So, for numbering, lowest sum, you can choose it. Lowest sum of arrangement, you can see, and then alphabetical priority order, you can complete the nomenclatures. Now, preparation from unsaturated hydrocarbons, hydrogenations. Ethene react with H2 in presence of palladium, platinum, nickel. It gives ethane. Propane treated with H2 in presence of platinum, palladium, nickel. It gives the propane. And you can see this double bond, that is, I think, something here. Volume. If treated with, that is the triple bond, not the double bond. So treated with 2H2, it gives the propane. So propane treated with hydrogen, it gives propane. Now from alkyl halide, reduction with zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. You have the chloromethane, is treated with H2, it gives methane. If you have the chloropropane treated with hydrogen, it gives the propane. Both reactions, you can see when two molecules alkyl halide treated with sodium, in presence of dry ether, you will get the ethane. Now, from carboxylic acid, you have the sodium ethanoate treated with sodium hydroxide, it gives methane. Kolbe electrolysis method is important. Two molecules sodium acetate treated with two molecules water, it gave ethane. Carbon dioxide, H2, and sodium hydroxide. Now, physical properties of alkane. Alkane are almost non-polar molecules because of the covalent nature of carbon-carbon and CH bond, and due to very little difference of electronegativity between the carbon and hydrogen atom. Due to weak van der Waals force, carbon 1, carbon 4 are gases, carbon 5 to carbon 17 are liquids, and those containing 18 carbon or more solid at 298 Kelvin. Alkanes are colorless and odorless. Petrol and lower fractions of petroleum are also used for dry cleaning of clothes to remove grease stain. With increase in molecular mass, boiling point increases. With the increase in number of branch chains in the structure, boiling point decreases due to a smaller area of contact and weak intermolecular forces. Now chemical properties. Substitution reactions, halogenations. Methane react with chlorine, it gives chloromethane. Methyl chloride treated with the chlorine, it gives methylene dichloromethane. And if we further treated with chlorine, it gives trichloromethane. And chloroform treated with chlorine, it gives tetrachloromethane. So rate of replacement of halogens of again is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. This is the order. And the rate of reactions of alkane with halogens, fluorine greater than Cl2 greater than Br. So insertions can be carried out in the presence of oxidizing agent like HiO3, H nitric acid. Methane is treated with I2, it gave the C3I. Now mechanism, you can see the initiations, formation of chlorine radical, propagation and terminations. Combustion reactions, it always give the carbon dioxide and water. And controlled reaction, oxidation, methane undergo control oxidation, it give methanol. Methane undergo reaction with in the presence of manganese oxide, methanol. And methane, ethane treated with oxygen, it give ethanoic acid. Alkene having tertiary hydrogen atom can be oxidized by potassium permanganate. You can see this is the KMnO4 and forming this 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Isomerization reactions in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives 2-methyl pentane and 3-methyl pentane. Aromatizations reaction, you can see in the presence of manganese oxide and chromium oxide, it gives the benzene. Reaction with the steam, methane treated with water, it gives carbon monoxide and 3H2. Pyrolysis, you know the higher alkanes on heating to higher temperature decompose into lower alkanes and alkenes. You can see the formation of the products. Now, a special arrangement of atom which can be converted into the another by rotation around carbon-carbon single bond are called conformations or conformation or rotamers. Conformation of ethene, you can see eclipse conformation, staggered conformation, skew conformation. Eclipse and staggered conformation can be represented so horse and Newman projections. You can see the eclipse and staggered form of ethane and Newman projections of ethane. Staggered greater than eclipse, least strain and more torsion strain. So I think this one is alkene. I will make in another video. I will make on alkene in another video.